A moon transformed. Imagining an atmospheric neighbor. We gaze upon the moon, a silent, cratered world bathed in the sun's light. But what if this familiar companion held a secret? What if the moon possessed an atmosphere of its own? It challenges our understanding of the moon's formation and evolution. An atmosphere on the moon would mean more than just air to breathe. It signifies a transformation of the lunar environment. This thought experiment is a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and a reminder that the universe is full of surprises.
A sea of change weather, climate, and the lunar surface. Imagine a moon where winds whisper across desolate plains, carrying the rustle of an atmosphere. Instead of stark, unchanging landscapes, we might find dynamic weather systems, perhaps even clouds drifting across a sky painted with the colors of a lunar sunrise. The presence of an atmosphere would have profound implications for temperatures on the moon. This moderation in temperature could lead to the formation of liquid water on the surface, potentially creating lakes or even seas. Erosion, driven by wind and potentially rain, would reshape mountains and carve valleys. This is a moon that is alive, dynamic, and challenges our preconceived notions.
The new frontier exploring an atmospherically shielded moon. Exploring an atmosphere-clad moon presents a fascinating paradox. Astronauts wouldn't need bulky, restrictive spacesuits. They could walk freely, their boots crunching on lunar soil. However, this newfound ease comes with its own set of challenges. Landing on the moon becomes a trickier endeavor, necessitating new spacecraft designs. Rovers, once designed for the vacuum of space, would need to be reimagined to handle varied terrain. The very act of studying the moon's atmosphere would become a major scientific endeavor. Understanding its composition, weather patterns, and potential for supporting life would become primary objectives. An atmosphere on the moon demands innovation, adaptation, and a willingness to rewrite the rules of lunar exploration.
Section 4. A home away from home. Building a life in the lunar sky. The dream of humans living on the moon takes on a whole new dimension with the presence of an atmosphere. We could envision structures that are more open to the environment, perhaps even biodomes filled with plants. Imagine gazing out from a lunar outpost at a sky painted with the soft hues of an alien sunset. However, even with an atmosphere, establishing a permanent human presence on the moon would be a monumental undertaking. Resources, while potentially more accessible, would still be finite. The moon could become a testament to our ability to adapt, innovate, and create life beyond Earth.
Section 5. A new lens on the cosmos. Astronomy from an atmospheric moon. The moon, with its lack of atmosphere, has always been regarded as a prime location for astronomical observation. But what if the moon had an atmosphere? Would this be a boon or a bane for astronomers? Initially, the presence of an atmosphere would seem to hinder observations due to atmospheric distortion. However, an atmosphere also opens up new avenues for scientific exploration. The moon's atmosphere could act as a natural shield, protecting surface telescopes from micrometeoroids and solar wind particles. Adaptive optics, which can compensate for atmospheric distortion, would become essential. An atmosphere on the moon would present both challenges and opportunities for astronomical observation, requiring ingenuity and innovation.